Everyone, into this video I'm going to show to you how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and after that you'll have to simply go to apps and sales channels. Then you'll have to simply go to Shopify App Store, and then you'll have to simply search for Alibaba, and after that click on this, and as you can see you have a lot of options, but I usually go with this one here, which is as pocket, this one here. And as you can see, you have a free plan available. So you can see you have 14 days free trial, and basically as you can see, you can dropship with faster shipping with a huge range of US and European products. You can get big discounts, wholesale prices with no minimum order, and you can create a powerful brand and loyalty with branded invoicing and fully automating your AliExpress dropshipping basically. So if you want, you can go back, and then you can also use this one here from DIY, and then you can simply click on install. And basically, as you can see, you can add products with one click. So click on install, then click on install again, and then you'll have to simply wait until this loads up. And after that, you'll have to simply set up. So click on let's get started. And as you can see, you can simply, you'll have to connect your stores. I'm going to skip all of them. But if you want, you can go with this guide here. But as you can see, if you want, you can get 3 random products, or you can simply use this to find your products. I'm going to go with these 3 random products, and then simply click on import. And as you can see, that's all you have to do. So click on import product, and then basically you'll have to simply enter the URL here from Alibaba or AliExpress and click import product, and that's all. So as you can see, you'll have to click, of course, on supplier and select Alibaba. But for this, you're gonna have to use the free trial, and basically you're gonna use the 14 days free trial, and then you'll be able to import Alibaba products. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.